if Jersey wants to be on camera or not. He's cleaning himself, so he's a white cat. He's got to keep himself nice and white and clean. Right, Jersey? Psst, psst, psst. No, see? He lays here, though. He likes it right here, but clean yourself up nice. And then when you pet him, he's fussy. He'll just clean again. Don't pet me. Don't touch me. Anyway, we won't show him cleaning his butt. There you go. That might get 1 million views. A cat cleaning its butthole on camera. Right? All right. God gives the increase. And this word today is increase. Beautiful word, because only God can give it. And there's your Greek. The English element. More eyes. More eyes. Beautiful. The concordance scripture. Romans 5:20. Yet law came in by the way that the offense should be increasing. Yet where sin increases, grace super exceeds. Romans 6:1. What then shall we declare? That we may be persisting in sin, that grace should be increasing? And as Paul says, may it not be coming to that. 2 Corinthians 4:15. For all is because of you, that the grace increasing through the majority should be superabounding in thanksgiving to the glory of God. 2 Corinthians 8:15. According as it is written, the one with much increases not, the one with few lessens not. Philippians 4:17. Not that I am seeking for a gift, but I am seeking for fruit that is increasing for your account. 1 Thessalonians 3:12. May the Lord cause you to increase and superabound in love for one another and for all, even as we also for you. And 2 Thessalonians 1:3. We ought to be thanking God always concerning you, brethren, according as it is meet, seeing that your faith is flourishing, and the love of each one of you all for one another is increasing.